If knowing the names of all the bones and muscles of a human anatomy made great artists, then doctors would be the greatest artists on earth. Yes, technique and anatomy matter, but original art comes from a different place, a different quality, a quality which you already have. Even if you have not picked up a pencil in years and are wondering how to start art, especially as an adult returning to art, this video will show you where exactly your artistic power lies. In the next few minutes, I'll show you ways of understanding drawing which will instantly make your drawing feel more alive, more original, more you, no matter what your skill level is. Let's begin. Hi, I am Parul, founder of Restart Art. I have a master's in fine art from Chelsea College of Art, London, and over a decade of creative industry experience. I help you to rekindle your creativity and confidently step into the artist you know you are. Not by copying pretty pictures, but by awakening your inner creative intelligence which you already possess. No matter whether you are a beginner or someone who is looking to return to their love for art. Now, watch this. If I said this to you, this book is good, versus this book is good. Pardon my acting skills, but what I'm trying to say here is you can instantly sense the unspoken confidence, the authenticity. There is an inner knowing at play. Well, the same concept applies to drawings too. Take a look at these two lists. We all know this feeling. Some days your handwriting flows, it is clean, it is clear, it is confident. Other days it is jagged, rushed, and agitated. Nothing technical changed here, it's your state that affected the results here. Handwriting is one of the clearest mirrors of your inner alignment. It is instinct driven, subconscious, unfiltered. Drawing is exactly the same. Your lines carry your breath, your attention, your emotions, your calm, your entire state, all without you realizing it. This is the first doorway into original art. Your inner pulse influences your mark making more than any technique ever will. This is why intuitive drawing is so powerful. Your inner state and your art. Now look at this portrait drawing. Years ago, I drew this self portrait during a very heavy and tense phase of my life. Notice something. Before the technique and proportions and skills, the energy hits you first. You can feel that in the lines of this drawing. The portrait is breathing that energy even if you don't know the facts and figures of the story behind it. There is no compulsion in this artwork to look a certain way. It is before you in its full honesty. And that honesty is what gives its gravitas. It is the birthplace of original art. Now look at this example. Same hand, same artist, but a completely different inner state. Your instincts do not lie. Your inner world always leaks into your drawing. This is why only copying photos never builds your true artistic confidence, because it completely bypasses the very thing that makes art unique and original. Your presence, your emotions, your alive internal pulse. Now let's go deeper into this topic. But before I do, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. It helps this channel to grow. And if you know somebody who is yearning to reconnect with their inner artist, please make sure you share this video with them. Alone, I can just reach few people, but with your help, we can grow this rare and beautiful space together and serve many people. Thank you. Art is energy first. Now look at this woodcut style relief prints I made earlier. At first glance, it looks like a dense, chaotic web of marks. But when you look at the underlying structural lines, you see intention. You see a narrative speaking through the artwork. You subconsciously sense a deeper connection and meaning. This meaning emerged due to absolute attention paid to the subject. I did not engage with this creation with a preset expectation. It was a live, honest participation with art where instincts led the way. Art is not a formula, it is rather like having an honest, open conversation. Catch this pulse of art if you can. If I talk to you in robotic, formulaic way, it won't move you. It does not connect. But if you talk to your best friend, oh gosh, the connection is so alive. You can express, confess, experiment, have fun, feel light, feel relieved, feel open. There is so much going on there. That's exactly what happens when you learn to weave observation, instinct, and technique in your drawing. This pulse, this very pulse, is exactly what I want to help you unlock in your art. It's time to make your mark. I have created this short drawing course called Make Your Mark. It is designed to help you rebuild your creative confidence, reconnect with your natural artistic instincts. It'll share how you can create alive artworks, and it'll share that powerful secret sauce behind creating authentic art. It is not your usual, let's create this pretty picture class. It is stepping into the artist you know you are with confidence, clarity, and joy. So, if you're looking for a beginner-friendly course, this might be it. I'll leave the link to join the waiting list in the description box below. Your art has been patiently waiting for you since all these years. It is time to make your mark. Restart art. It's good for you.